Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming at you guys again with yet another video. And today we got a very special and very big unboxing courtesy of the people over at Footlocker and Puma. Thanks to them for sponsoring this video, but more so I want to get into the shoe that came inside this box. But you guys know how we start off. Let's go ahead, I'm gonna hit y'all with this unboxing montage and then we can get into this package because it's definitely more than meets the eye inside of this box. Alright, y'all are back. Now, as you can see, we actually got a box within a box within, well, this was the other piece of the package, which was the insert with obviously the shoe we're going to be talking about today, which is the Puma Liquid Cell Optic. They call it Optic Sheer. I'm gonna just be calling it the Optic pair for short. Now, of course, you guys can see off the rip that the shoes are on the inside, but there was also some extras that they included in here that we will get to in a little bit. First off, I want to talk about the shoes and then we're going to talk about the extras because I've never ever received a package with what is inside of here. Now, moving some of the extras out of the back that we are going to get into in a little bit, let's go ahead and slide out this insert and get into the actual shoe itself. This of course was the insert that was on the inside. We're gonna set that. Can I fit anywhere in the background? I'm looking at my camera to see. Yeah, maybe I can fit somewhere. Alright, now let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Once again, I feel like Puma is getting into their creative bag, and guess what the retail price on these is? $110. Another great option at that right around $100 price point, something that's not gonna break the bank, but that's gonna look good on the foot and it's comfortable as well. Now, before we did talk about the, I want to say it is the Liquid Cell Origin. That was the white AR pair that I had, and that shoe as well as this shoe uses that same Liquid Cell cushioning technology. I will tell you guys right now that it is definitely very cozy, very comfy. I do actually like these a bit better than the Origin just because it has that low cut, and the sole, I wouldn't say it has more of the Liquid Cell tech, but you do have some in the forefoot as well as the heel. Either way, I'm definitely digging this low top Liquid Cell model, and honestly it just looks like a runner from the year, what year can we say, 2700. It definitely has this futuristic look, and with that Liquid Cell tech it gives you the cushioning and stability, and it feels like gel. Honestly, when you see the visible Liquid Cell on the sides, it feels like a gel material on the outside. Now the rest of the sole is rubber, and they have said that these are inspired by like that 90s chunky style, but honestly to me the shoe doesn't feel chunky at all. The upper is actually pretty thin, very breathable. The sole of it does have some size to it, but in no way would I really say that this is chunky. Now, jumping from the sole, you have the upper. Now this does have that kind of translucent look. It is a translucent mesh on the upper. They have like these different textiles that give it different colors. Maybe if you don't like this particular colorway, I think even simple ones with the clear upper, they can even do monochrome sneakers as well. I just really like it on this particular pair because it really highlights all the panels. Now once again, as far as materials, they are going for that lightweight, more synthetic feel for this, so you do have some flock, what it feels like around the ankle collar as well as the tongue, but the rest of the shoe is going to be that lightweight, breathable Liquid Cell from the year 2700. Now another important detail I want to talk about is sizing. Now me personally, I feel like they fit kind of similar to the RSX, so if you own a pair of RSXs, you can get whatever you wear in the RSX. They fit a little bit snug to me, so you guys know I fall in that really weird size range where I would love to have a 12.5. That usually doesn't work out for me, so I have these in a 12. They are snug, but I would rather just have the snugness than the 13. I'm already yacht gang. The 13 is gonna look long on my foot. My foot looks long enough. I'm good. This is just another great new model from 2019, and an affordable model at that at 110. Now let's get into some of those extras that they actually sent me in this package. Now of course this shoe is called the Optic Cell, the Optic Sheer, so they're playing around with optics, how you look at things. So they actually sent me over a full-on projector. Yes, a full-on projector. I'm gonna project this into your eyes for a second. I'm sorry for the color. I don't think I've ever owned a projector in my life, but they actually sent me this. I'm sorry, I'm blasting y'all's eyes out. They sent me this because it actually came with some stuff loaded onto it, some different backgrounds and stuff to play around with. Now, I did go ahead and show you guys kind of some of the B-roll, what it looked like, some different patterns that they sent, and I actually snapped a few flicks as well using this projector. So once again, thank you to them. I don't think they also know that the benefit of this projector is the Nintendo Switch, as well as playing Smash Brothers on the side of the house when it gets a little bit better. I haven't been able to do that in so long because I used to play it on my friend's projector. So yes, the Switch, Super Smash Brothers on the side of the house using the projector. Y'all might not have thought about that, but yeah, so once again, they sent me over a projector, but they didn't only send me a projector. Just in case I didn't have a blank wall, they sent me a whole studio setup. Now, as you guys can see, if I wanted to get really artsy-fartsy with the video, the projector is like way back there, but y'all can see what I'm talking about, and y'all can kind of see the studio behind me, the studio setup. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the lights back on the studio so you can actually see me, but I just wanted to show you, yes, it does do some interesting different things, you know what I mean, blang blang. And with all that out of the way, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Shouts out to Puma and Footlocker for sending these bad boys over. Like I said, fit wise, go a half size up. I do have somewhat of a wider foot. They run for 110, and they got the liquid cell tech in the forefoot as well as the heel, so they're going to be cushiony, they're going to be cozy. This is a very good gray sweatpant, in particular pair of shoes right here. But listen, man, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. Y'all can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah, blah, blah. Of course, I got one right here. So, bullet.rc, and I'm gonna see y'all in that next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. More new videos on the way. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Much love. Peace. 29.